Hey y'all, welcome back to the Southern Cottage and welcome back to my craft room. We're living in here now. It is mum season and I am going to show you how to make templates for your mum backers that you can use year after year, and they are extremely inexpensive. Everything I'm using I got from the Dollar Tree. Let's get started. We are going to make templates for our backers. In my the video about where to buy your homecoming mom supplies, I showed you the 3 different size backers that I picked up. This is a 6-inch, a 4-inch, and a 3-inch. Now they're 99 cents. I don't have a problem paying that, but I also know that in a pinch, when I run out, I need to be able to make my own. You can use cardboard, you can use poster board, which is what these are really made of. You can use cereal boxes. Hyla uses all kinds of stuff. So I am going to show you how to take a $3 chopping mat and turn it into a template for all of your sizes for these. So what you're going to need is 1 pack of the chopping mats. It comes 2 for the $1.25. You're going to need your circle templates, a permanent marker, a book ring. You can get these at the Dollar Tree, scissors, and something to punch holes. I am going to use my Crocodile. It works fabulous. Okay. Thought these had the pull tabs on them to get it open, but it does not. Y'all, these chopping mats, I use these for cutting food. If I don't have a specific cutter that somebody is asking for my cookies, I will print something off the internet, trace it onto here, and cut it out, and I will use that to hand cut my cookies. So you don't want to do that for 300 of them, but for 4 or 5 to go in a set, it's just fine. I'm going to put it with the, you have a shiny side and then you have the dull side. I'm going to put the dull side up, and then let's start with our largest. And y'all, this is easy. You're just tracing and cutting out. That way you always have a template for the size. Why is there a staple stuck to that? Okay. For the size backer that you need. So just lay it down, and y'all, I don't like wasting material. And I'm going to go ahead and draw in the center as well. You're going to need to know where your middle is. And then just trace around it. And then I'm going to go to my 4-inch. And I know there are way more sizes on these, y'all. These are just the 3 that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I actually have, doggone it, it moved. We can fix it. There we go. I have a circle cutter. In fact, I have 2 different ones. But sometimes it's just easier to, instead of getting that out, grab this, draw your circle, and cut it. Now to my 3-inch. Now I'm going to get all of these out of 1 mat, not even a whole mat. I have plenty of other space on here that I could actually cut out more. It comes over to here. I don't know how well you can see. That's the end. I could put a double backer on here. There's not enough room for a heart, but there's definitely enough room for a double backer. Now that we have these cut, I'm just going to use my crocodile to poke the holes in the middle. You can use a hole punch, you can use an awl, you can use a knife, whatever. And then just cut them out. I'm going to cut close to these. This stuff cuts really well with just a pair of scissors. Now, these do not have to be absolutely perfect as long as you get your size. Cut that piece off and move it out of the way. And then just follow your line, guys. It's as simple as that. These will last forever. You see how easy this is to cut? That's two. And the smallest one. This is about the size that I would use for a wrist or a ring mum, or a mum bow. Y'all, I don't have my glasses on and this glare is getting to me. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get my crocodile all the way in there. We will have to see. And that is trash. So we have our 3 different sizes. And like I said, there's plenty left on that chopping mat. Y'all, I know for a fact I'm not going to be able to get my crocodile all the way in. Okay. Let's just take some tiny scissors, anything with a sharp point, and just poke a hole in it. If you want to, you can cut it all the way around. I'm just going to be happy with the hole in the middle. You just need to have an idea of where to poke your hole in whatever you're cutting out. That way you know it's in the center for the most part. And that's, I should have opened it up so it wouldn't take so long, but there we go. Alright, they all have a hole punched in the middle. And now I'm going to go ahead and punch a hole in the edge. I'm just adjusting this. Y'all, just use a regular hole punch. It will be fine. This is my second time ever using this. I just took it out of the package yesterday and I've had it forever. Now, to keep track of all your templates, put them on a book ring. And you will have them all available to you. Now, do not forget, like I did, to write your measurements on it. So this is a 6-inch, this is a 4-inch, and this is a 3-inch. Now you know. Simple as that. Take this, lay it down on any piece of cardboard, lay it down on your cereal box back, whatever it is that you choose to use, trace it, cut it, and you have a backer for your mums. There you go. Super simple, super cheap, gonna last you forever. And you know, if they don't, y'all, it costs less than $1. And I actually went ahead and made one for my double mums. So I have my 3-inch, 4-inch, 6-inch, and my double on here. So anyway, if you cut out your own backers, which you should, way cheaper, this is the route you need to go, y'all. It's going to save you a lot of time. Anyway, if y'all want to see some more videos about templates, I will link them in the description below, and I will see y'all soon. Bye.